up, everybody? My name is Alex, and welcome to Anime Rap Battles. Today we got Grumpy Cat versus Nyan Kissizizizan.
Look up in the sky, not a bird, not a plane. It's just little old me. Neon Cat's the name. I'm a Pop-Tart. Don't get it twisted, son. Been crushing cosmic pussy since life number one. I'm the first cat in space, won the cat space race. Here the cat bred you. Have some weed on your face. Oh, your name is Tard? That's short for retarded. Don't get mad. Have some Skittles. I just sharted. Your face looks like a shitty cat version of Ron Swanson. You'll be forgotten like the pubes dangling off of my Johnson. You're big in real life, but on YouTube I'm huge. You can die tomorrow, I'll still get 80,000 views.
What doesn't kill you pisses me off, so I'm gonna be the one to fucking finish the job. I eat, I sleep, I excrete, and lick my paws. You fly through space, that's it. You should be hauling around Santa Claus. I'll eat you for breakfast and turn you into a nice turd. Have you seen Titanic? My favorite actor was the iceberg. I'm a celebrity. I'm in Time magazine, the biggest name in pets since motherfucking Lassie. You're a tryhard. I didn't even want fame. Kicking your ass, it's in my DNA.
You're shorter than the pinky of Peter Dinklage. Scratch that, more like Dinklage's Peter. Going through shrinkage, you're still a virgin. My penis caused a big bang. Roses are red, violets are blue. I have a gun, get in the van. What's wrong, Grumpy? Where's the other 6 dwarves? Celebrating your absence with coffee-flavored liqueurs. You're about to get spayed, and I've got to flush you down the toilet. Your whack raps make me blush. I'll put you in the blender. I'll turn you to slush. TBH, you're not the first pussy I crushed.
Crush me with those rhymes, you're batshit delirious. I had fun once. It was a traumatic experience. And maybe I am smaller than a midget's frigid noodle, but at least I'm not some wannabe toaster strudel. You ain't shit, you ancient. You're 8-bit Atari. Just quit, you won't get these 8 tits. I'm sorry. Cause the only reason you got to be that tasty is your dad couldn't get pussy, so he sexed up pastry.
Oh! That was catastrophic! Get it? Cat! Get it? Okay, well, who won? Cast your votes now in the comments to bring them back. Know any other memes that would make for a good fight? Let us know, and you might see them duke it out on the show next. Okay, it's been fun. This is Alex. Peace!